tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are outside with Daniel Tiger to do a little bit of yard cleanup. Like these little weeds that are growing in the cracks between the wall and our cement pathway. Look at all those bugs. There's some ants, and I see a spider, a little white spider. And there's also lots of these pill bugs. They are great for our gardens as they decompose leaves and roots, and they even clean the soil. Oh boy, look at this mess. What are we going to do, Daniel Tiger? Maybe we need the rake. We got a huge pile of leaves and plants, and we can put them in our compost where it'll decompose into soil that we can add to our garden next year. Now that we have picked all of the weeds, we still have all of these little bugs, and they need a home. So what are we going to do, Daniel Tiger? How about we put a nice succulent plant all along the edge? It's very easy to do. We grew this big, large blanket of succulents right by our garden beds, and that way the weeds don't grow. Let's pick a few little babies and we can move them to the edge of our wall. Do you see the roots? That's all we need. We'll put a few in there and you just have to push it in. These ones grow really easily and reroot very quickly. All right, that's good for now. By next year, they will grow all along the edge and it'll look so pretty. This easy way to not have to worry about too many weeds. We still have lots of gardening to do, and next time Daniel Tiger is going to help us plant our new rose bush. Just be careful, Daniel. Roses have sharp thorns. I love flowers, don't you? And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way, we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.